Agentic AI will affect companies a lot in 2025, but not in the way that many people are thinking, in terms of big agents popping up and solving all of the world's problems and replacing everybody. But I think we're going to see a lot of fairly smaller agents doing pretty pragmatic things, but pretty smartly. Agentic AI will affect the role of the data engineer quite a bit, or the data scientist in more general. So in addition to the ability to do data engineering, visualization, modeling, statistics, all of the classic skills that you need to work with data, you will now also need to be able to do prompt engineering, because prompt writing will become part of the programming, right? Like we've always been talking about at Knime, that data scientists need to visually program, put together workflows, what to do with data. One of the additional skills will be to be able to instruct GenAI what to do, and that's writing prompts. Business, when putting together the tech stack for AI or for agentic systems, should not just buy something off the shelf from all of these new agentic AI vendors, but consider how that integrates with all of the existing technologies that they have. Because it's not just about building agents, but it's also about integrating that with all of the data platforms that you have in-house, but all of the predictive AI and data engineering, data integration techniques that you have in-house. Knime is a strong candidate for that integration piece for agentic systems, but also to build agents themselves, because we have traditionally already been always focused on being a strong data and tool integration platform. So for Knime, in a sense, agents are just another piece that needs integration. And the ability to integrate all of these things allows Knime workflows to be the tool of choice to build these tools that are integrating data, doing predictive analytics, but also reaching out to GenAI.